Everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate unlimited free AI images without any sign up, watermark, or paid subscription. So let's jump right into it. First, open Perchance AI. I have also added the link in the description below. And open the very first link which says AI character generator. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. Here you need to enter a prompt. For the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. Simply open ChatGPT and describe your image idea. For this YouTube video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of image content you would like to generate. Once your prompt is ready, copy it and paste it into Perchance AI. Underneath, select the image style such as painted, cinematic, 3D, and many more. Then select the aspect ratio as well. And finally, hit the generate button. As you can see, the generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Meanwhile, the images are being generated. Let me tell you one very important thing. You can generate images on Perchance AI without sign up or logging in. This tool also has a AI video model, but the AI video generation feature in Perchance AI isn't working yet. Once it's available, I'll make a full demo video on it as well. So let's wait for the images to finish generating. And here we go. Our free AI images with Perchance AI has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided with excellent quality and resolution. Let's try one more time. Again, go to ChatGPT and describe your image idea. Once the prompt is ready, again copy it and paste it into Perchance AI. Change the image style and aspect ratio if needed. Then hit the generate button again. The image generation process has started again, so let's wait for it to complete. Once again, our free AI images with Perchance AI have been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided with the same excellent quality and resolution. So with the help of this free tool, you can create unlimited free AI images without any sign up, watermark or paid subscription. The generated images are also very easy to download. You just need to right click on the image you want to download and save the image in the desktop or in the whatever folder you want to save it. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.